This presentation will explain the process for grading essays. Students, it is your job to understand the rubric and have the rubric work for you. The thesis must be more than there are many similarities between A, B, and C. You need time, topic, place, and comparison. If it asks you for two things, then you have to do comparisons of both things. A good rule of thumb is 5 comparisons, 3 to 2 or 4 to 1. Evidence is detail that supports. Direct comparisons have to have more than A and B are similar in this way. You always want to state the reason or explain the why. The first part of the rubric is quantitative, and the second part of the rubric is qualitative. The reader looks at the quality of your argument. Although both Imperial Rome, 31 BCE to 476 CEO, and Han China's techniques of imperial administration include centralized bureaucratic governments led by an emperor, they differ in that China's imperial administration is run by Confucian bureaucrats, while Rome's is more dependent upon the military. You can use the Killer Thesis handout and the handout that uses comparative verbs to help you. Periodization. Historical thinking involves the ability to describe, analyze, evaluate, and construct models of historical periodization that historians use to categorize events into discrete blocks and to identify turning points, recognizing that the choice of specific dates favors one narrative, region, or group or another over another narrative, region, or group. Therefore, changing the periodization can change a historical narrative. Moreover, the particular circumstances and context in which individual historians work and write shape their interpretations and models of past events. Synthesis. Historical thinking involves the ability to arrive at meaningful and persuasive understandings of the past by applying all other historical thinking skills, by drawing appropriately on ideas from different fields of inquiry or disciplines, and by creatively fusing disparate, relevant, and perhaps contradictory evidence from primary sources and secondary works. Additionally, synthesis may involve applying insights about the past to other historical contexts, circumstances, including the present. Try this practice problem. For round 1, try similarities and differences. For round 2, develop your thesis statement. And round 3, work on evidence and direct compare with reason. Think about practice 3 question and think about why this one was included as an example.